Today we are calculating this multi-operator arithmetic expression, 20 divided by 2 minus 2 times 4. Because this string mixes division, subtraction, and multiplication, calculating straight from left to right will guarantee an incorrect final total. Pause the video right now, simplify the expression in your head, and leave your immediate answer in the comments. Let's look at the strict priority rules of PEMDAS to solve it step by step. Before doing any math, we must look at the hierarchy of the operators on the board. According to the strict rules of PEMDAS, multiplication and division both sit at a higher priority level than subtraction. This means you are legally required to evaluate the division and multiplication completely before you touch the subtraction sign in the middle. Since multiplication and division share equal rank, we solve them moving from left to right. Let's execute our first high-priority operation on the far left. We divide 20 by 2, which evaluates cleanly to 10. Dropping that result back into place simplifies our running expression down to 10 minus 2 times 4. Now we look at our remaining two operations, subtraction and multiplication. Because multiplication still outranks subtraction, we must calculate the product next before subtracting anything. We multiply 2 by 4, which gives us a value of 8. This brings our expression down to one final simple arithmetic step, 10 minus 8. Now, we perform the final subtraction step to complete the problem. Subtracting 8 from 10 leaves us with our definitive, undisputed final total of exactly 2. If you calculated straight from left to right, you would have gotten an answer of 32, which completely violates the order of operations. Did you follow the priority hierarchy perfectly and get a total of 2 on your very first try? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that follow button, and I will see you in the next breakdown.